Are you spending money on Facebook ads, but seeing zero return on your investment? If so, then you need to stop what you're doing right now and watch this video. You see, using Facebook for traffic is a lot like trying to drink from a fire hose. There is plenty of traffic available, but if you don't know what you're doing, it's very easy to burn through your budget and see no results for your hard-earned cash. This is why so many businesses say, "We tried Facebook, but we just couldn't make it work." The secret to making Facebook work for your business is to stop focusing on generating as much traffic as possible, and instead create highly targeted campaigns that deliver a steady stream of your ideal customers. To help you understand Facebook advertising and how to make it work for your business, we've just opened the doors to our Facebook Marketing for Small Business program. In this step-by-step program, we show you exactly how to set up your Facebook ad campaign, how to set your budget so you don't waste a cent, how to laser target your perfect prospects, exactly where to send your traffic, how to set up a high-converting landing page, and how to construct an effective sales message. Best of all, this course contains 100% hands-on practical information that you can use in the real world. Unlike other programs that talk about theory, we take you behind the scenes and show you our real live Facebook campaigns that have generated over $3 million in sales over the last 12 months. So if you need help generating traffic and leads for your business, be sure to grab your spot now because this course will sell out. Just click the link below to secure your spot now.